Hey lovely, so Nike is making Rice Krispie Treats today. So myself and Anita of Anita of Fredrick TV, we're doing a collaboration. I'm gonna drop a link to her channel in the description down below. Please, you guys should go so show her some love and thank her for the Rice Krispies she sent to me to make these treats today. Alright guys, thank you. Guys, without wasting so much of your time, I'm gonna run you guys through the ingredients here. And just so you know, Rice Krispie Treats is a very good snack to have at home. Right now is spring break. You know, you want to have something to keep at home for your kids to snack on once in a while. You know how we can get peckish once in a while, right? So you want to have something at home. So without wasting so much of your time, guys, let's jump straight into the video. First ingredient here is our Rice Krispies and marshmallows, and then that's my butter, my baking pan. For the butter, I'm just using 4 tablespoons of butter, my bad. The baking pan, I got it off of Amazon as a non-stick baking pan. I'll put a link in the description to this baking pan. I like the baking pan because it actually comes with a lid, which is a cover. I find that super amazing. So the first thing we'll do here is spray our baking pan. Please make sure to spray everything you're going to be using, because Rice Krispie Treats is a little bit sticky, so you don't want it to leave you with so much stickiness. Yeah, so I sprayed even the bowl where I put in the Rice Krispies. I sprayed it before I put in the Rice Krispies, guys. So please do well to spray everything, even the spatula you're going to use. So the first thing we do here is turn in our butter, let the butter melt, turn in our marshmallows, let it melt, and I'm gonna add some vanilla extract to mine just to give it that flavor. I don't want it to be just plain, since I'm not making something different, and that's how melted it should look. And then you turn it back into your baking pan, cover it, put the lid back on top of it. Right now all I'm gonna do is put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. You could put it in for less, it just depends on you. And voila, is out of the fridge. So right now all I'm just gonna do with this is turn it on to my chopping board, and you guys see how beautiful it's looking. I love it already. It's looking so creamy, yummy, tasty, and appetizing. Whatever English, guys, I don't care. It just looks so good, guys. And then just slice everything up to your desired shape, however you want to do it. This is me doing mine to these shapes. My 2-year-old called this, "Mommy, it's a rectangle." So I'll just say it's a rectangular shape, and I'm just gonna cut it into 6 pieces. I mean, you want it to be chunky and big enough, so when you're eating the treats, you will know, yes, you're eating a treat, you're snacking well. You're not gonna need food for at least an hour or 2. So guys, I am done. Our Rice Krispie Treats is ready. Please, as I said earlier, don't forget to head on to Anita Fredrick's TV and like, share, comment, you know, let her know you're from Nikki K's World. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.